Hello again, welcome to my channel, Avid Retro, and here I have saved the more tricky player to last. So this is basically one of a job lot that I bought from Bai, or via Bai. So this is coming in from Japan, and unfortunately, as far as I remember, it doesn't work. Let's just check though. So I put a battery in there. It's got this really nice kind of sliding mechanism there. This is an SX based Panasonic, and they all kind of share the same kind of things. And I'm just going to check. They've got these very small rubbers on the spindles here. I think that looks okay. I just thought I'd have a quick check here to see if there's anything else I should be aware of before I start to look at this. Now, some of the things to check for is these spindles here. So they obviously engage with the little wheels that look okay. So the rubber for those look okay. The head looks nice and clean as well. So I think they're okay. The little bits of plastic here are kind of pushed down. So we'll give that a thumbs up for now. Here it looks like it's corrosion or possibly a leaky battery. So it's just a little bit of discoloration. So that might signify a trickier fix. But anyway, let's see if I get any whirring sounds. So I'm going to put a cassette in. It's driving the motor, but it's not doing anything. So this is quite nice. This is a very simple hold mechanism here. It just hides the buttons. And then there's a battery check. Okay, and that's got a little battery meter in here. So looking on the side, there's play options, volume, Dolby, and that's about it. It's a nice weighty player. It feels like it's good quality, but they are known for being a little bit overly complicated in their mechanisms, these SX ones. Oh, can I open that door? It seems to be seized up. I don't want to obviously break it. Yeah, something's stopping that. Maybe there's a leaky battery in there. Okay, let's take the cassette out and start undoing these screws, I think. So just in case they're different sizes, it's worth keeping them in a safe place on your mat in order as you take them out. Ooh, okay. What we have here is a broken part that fits on here. So this is the clutch inside here. So am I missing a retainer clip? Or does that just sit on there anyway? I'm not sure on this model actually. Okay, let's just put it to one side. Right, now this is the problem with this door. There is a Panasonic battery that's got some corrosion. Wouldn't hurt to give that a clean first, actually. Alright, we've got some proper corrosion here that's broken the contacts. So Probably need to wrap some wire around there if I'm to use a gum stick battery at some point. So I'm just looking to see where to solder. So I'm going to have to go in and desolder. They're all standard sizes. It's about in place here. It's gone all soft and rubbish. The resistance there, going that way. Yeah, I'm not sure about this bit here. It'll be interesting to see. Maybe it does just sit in there. Maybe that one stays. Not sure. Okay, so these two and that one there, I think. Let's turn the soldering iron off for a minute. It's gone a little bit sticky. That's held in by quite strong magnets. That needs a clean. Yeah, look, the corrosion's gone over there as well. These are the coils. So a little bit of a clean up needed. Need to get this spout out, which is just deteriorated badly. It's going to leave black on my hands, I think. That's what it does. The key now is to make sure that's clean enough for the motor and the belt that goes on it. So that one's not looking too bad. Ah, okay. So this little plastic thing in here doesn't look broken actually. That looks okay. That's what popped out of it. I don't think that's cracked. What I'm going to try to do is I'm not going to replace with the brass, just in case it slows the speed down. I've read that sometimes these parts can do that. So I'm just going to put, for now anyway, I'm just going to put a little retainer sort of washer on top. So once that's on, that hopefully should hold it in place. So anyway, that's my plan for that. I suppose that's the small one. Small one. Bigger one. So that looks okay. There's still a bit of, I don't really want to scratch it. I don't think it's going to really make any difference anyway. I don't want to ruin the coils, do I? So they're kind of underneath here. I'm going to leave that be. And the next thing, oh yeah, it's to clean the underside of that, isn't it? Good thing is, if that is cracked, I can just replace it anyway without desoldering. I'll make sure the board is set correctly. You need to be aware, this SX-60, it didn't need this N1, but it needed 7 points here desoldered, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 points were desoldered. Right, will it work? Maybe it needs a cassette. Oh, maybe it's in hold. Could it be in hold? So there's a hold switch mechanism in here. I think it was off. Okay. Let's see. That's better. Oh. It did make a noise, didn't it? Got mind of its own, isn't it? Still clicking. Definitely shouldn't be as noisy as that. In terms of repairing this, or is it kaput? Is it always going to be this noisy? It's playing, but with lots of wow and flutter. Short amendment to the main video I recorded earlier. So what I found out, and it does seem strange, is that the clicking is only in the forward direction. It's not in reverse. So this is obviously an auto reverse Walkman. So if I press play, that's now playing normally. So if you look at the take up, that's going forward. If I press play again, it plays and it's quiet. It sounds okay. The problem is in the forward motion. If anyone can help, that'd be really good. Just give me a few pointers. I will have to take this apart again, so I will have to desolder it because I've got to put the power socket kind of back onto the board. And also I've got the spring and the clutch retainer disc to kind of put in. I will have to do a part 2 video to this, but for now it seems to be just working in one direction only. Fortunately, I've now run out of time for this video to do any more, so I'm going to put it away for now. As you can see, I managed to get the belts on. I've had a little bit of an issue with it, as you can see, with the clicking, and these parts obviously need to go back on. Actually, this black plastic one is quite a bit smaller, isn't it? But I think the clicking isn't because of this. that's just keeping pressure on these going round. I think there's something under the board. Maybe there's a switch, or there's something out of sync that's causing that clicking, or maybe there is a cracked gear. I'll be interested to know, and if you could let me know, that'd be great. The other thing, if I take this apart again, I will have to obviously desolder everything, but I'd have to solder this power connector back on, because unfortunately as I was putting it back in, it seems to have come away from the board, so it will only run potentially on gum sticks for now. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed finding out a little bit more about these particular models, the SX-60, and these are quite common in the SX range, this layout and probably these issues, so I'll have to go online myself to have a look and see what people have done when they're clicking like that. But thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I will do a follow-up video in the future. Bye for now.